Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. Thank you DYU for sponsoring this video and sending this bike out to me. I really appreciate it. You're very good people. I love you. Thank you very much. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to charge your battery on your DYU C3 folding bike. So how do you what do you call it? Okay, so you're going to need your charger obviously. So plug this into there. This is the easy part, guys. Obviously not if you got only one hand, but you know. There you go. Then you want to plug this into your wall. Then you got this end. Now where is the charger port? It is right there, very nicely hidden underneath. It's got a waterproof cover on it, as you can see, dust cover. So just close it like that. So this doesn't have a removable battery, I don't believe, or maybe it does. Let's have a look. No, it doesn't. So the battery is actually built into the frame, which is pretty cool. It keeps the weight down, I guess. I don't know, maybe. So yeah, it's pretty cool still. Okay, so what the hell was I saying? Okay, so that's how you charge your battery, guys. Alright, so I'll show you how to plug it in anyway while I'm here. Might as well. Alright, so you take it off, plug it straight in. Simple as that. Charge it up. It takes about 3-4 hours. It'll show you anyway. There'll be a light on there. It'll go change color. So where is the light? There's the light. Can you see? So that will change color, and you shall see. My back is gone. Look how bright these back lights are, man. Ow, ow. There you go. Alright guys, so next thing. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Look at these cushions. Boop, boop. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.